Okay, folks, it is finally here. My Fyro T22 Founders Edition Backpack has arrived. Look at that. And look at that. It stands up by itself, just like it's supposed to. Of course, that's with nothing in it, but hey, it's a good sign. It's an excellent sign. Oh, look at this. Nice soft leather grip handle. Very padded. Stitching looks great. Look at these straps. Oh yeah. It's like a very smooth material, but seems like it has some grip. So it won't easily slide off the shoulders. Lots of padding. Alright, and of course, the hatch. We've got the hatch here. Oh, nice. What do we have here? Nice security feature there. And boom. Stamped right there, Founders Edition. Love it. And we got the Fyro logo here. Very nice. Attachments for the Hydrolock on the side here. And on this side. Alright. Oh, beautiful gold. I don't know what this color is called. I don't remember. I'm gonna have to look at the Kickstarter description. But it is a nice orange honeycomb, somewhat gold color. Love it. Okay. That's the Hydrolock, I assume. There. Okay. For your keys. Very nice. Nice stretchy mesh here. Easy zip. Okay. Can't really. Sorry, it's a little dark. I'm not using a light right now, but it's just an empty pocket. Again, that stretchy mesh. Okay. Hatch closes. Okay. Good look at this side. Let's open up the back here. Oh, I can't open it. It's secured. If I was a thief, I would be deterred. Okay. Alright, nice laptop compartment. Kind of see that material there. Feels very, very luxurious. And again, that beautiful orange honeycomb on the inside here. Oh, I love it. The laptop compartment, and then the extra compartment. Very nice. All the way down. I will say this feels a little tight, like it doesn't open up as much as I might like, but again, this is just the laptop compartment, and you can see the zipper only goes like a quarter of the way down. So, to be expected. Let's check out the other one. And again, these zippers have the extra security feature where you can unsnap and interlock these two zipper pulls to make it harder to get into. Sorry, I'm just trying to unzip this one-handed. But it's got some nice structure, so I'm actually able to unzip it one-handed. Normally, on my other backpack, I would not be able to do this. And, ooh, more organization. Nice little stretchy mesh pocket there. And it's got these gussets here on the sides to let it flap open. Of course, we'll take out this cardboard when I want to later. It's got more stretchy mesh organization pockets here. So that's very cool. And some depth. Very nice. Okay. You can see these zippers go all the way to the bottom on both sides. So this compartment does open nice and wide. Again, it doesn't flop like a clamshell completely because it has those gussets, which I appreciate. I don't need the front of my bag flopping down on the ground. So I think that's a good call. All right, how do we do the expansion here? Let's look. Okay. Okay, sorry, I'm going to set the phone down so I can get this the rest of the way. There we go. Alright, so that's the expansion. Not a lot, but it does expansion. It does expand it. Give you extra room. So very cool. What else did we not check out already? Oh, the back. So it does have the luggage pass-through, which I am so excited about. Been wanting a backpack with the luggage pass-through handle for ages. But then look at this back panel. That is some serious padding, and hopefully very well ventilated. Whew. Very nice. Alright, well that's the unboxing. Can't wait to dive deeper into this T22 Fyro backpack. Thanks for checking it out. More to come.